Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling well, guys. Today video is going about Dogecoin latest update last 24 hours. What's going on? What's the price changes of Dogecoin in last 24 hours? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos about Dogecoin, guys. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead. First of all, guys, the right now price of Dogecoin in the market is 0.0223927 USD dollar, guys. You can see here, guys, from the last 1 month the Dogecoin price stopped. I mean, not jump over in any Dogecoin, guys. Completely the price are going in the lows. You can see here again, if you look the latest last 24 last update of Dogecoin, so last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, 7 days changes, the whole changes of Dogecoin are going lows, going negative, guys. So if the changes are going negative, how the price will be become high, how you can get a profit from Dogecoin, guys. Now Dogecoin are completely going in the lows, but no, I'm not talking about Dogecoin that it is a bad investment. No, it is still a good investment, but they need patience, they need wait. If you're an investor of Dogecoin for 1 year, that's very good, absolutely. At the last of 1 year you get a huge profit, guys. So for long-term investor, every coin is profitable, guys, and for short-term investor, you have to think, guys. Now, guys, you can see here that is last 1 day price chart and if video technical analysis. So now you can see here again, I think still, guys, you can see Dogecoin are going in the lows. That is a support line, and if they break these support lines again, so I believe, guys, a very huge dumps will be occur in a Dogecoin, guys, for a long time. You can see here from last 1 day, and still, guys, you can see here if we check the chart, so still, guys, the Dogecoin price are going in the lows, guys. So be alert and be safe from lows. If you are a holder, so the changes of Dogecoin, as I show you in the start of this video, that last 1 week change is negative. So if you are a long term holder of Dogecoin, so I recommend for you to invest for a long time. Don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.